Have you ever wished you could take that awesome, secure VPN connection on your phone and just put it on your computer? Well, on this explainer, we're going to do exactly that. We're going to get your computer online using nothing but your smartphone.
So, let's paint a picture. Maybe you've got an app like HA Tunnel Plus working great, giving you internet on your phone, but your laptop is just sitting there, totally offline. If that's you, stick around. We are absolutely about to fix that. Okay, let's get into it. First things first, we need to get your smartphone ready. We're essentially turning it into the main source for our internet connection. Getting this part right is, well, it's the foundation for this whole thing. Okay, so on your phone, step 1 is to make sure your VPN is actually connected and running. Then you're going to head to the Play Store and search for an app called Every Proxy. Go ahead and install it. This little app is the magic key here. It's what's going to create a gateway for your computer. Once it's open, just flick that big HTTP/HTTPS toggle to on. And for the final step on the phone, turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot. That creates the little private network for your computer to jump onto.
Awesome! Your phone is now set up and broadcasting its connection. So let's switch gears and head over to the computer so we can tell it where to look. And now for part 2, setting up the computer. All we have to do here is just point it in the right direction so it knows where to find this new internet connection your phone is making. On your computer, open up your Wi-Fi list and connect to the hotspot you just made on your phone. Once you're connected, you'll need to dive into your computer's settings. Look for Network and Internet, and inside there, you should find an option for Proxy. We need to set this up by hand, so find the Manual Proxy Setup section and switch that Server option to On. Okay, pay attention, because this is the most important part. Your computer needs 2 little pieces of info, an address and a port. For the address, look back at the Every Proxy app on your phone. It's going to show you an IP address. You need to type that number exactly as you see it into the proxy IP address box on your computer. And for the port, it's super simple. Just type in 8080. That's it. These 2 numbers are basically the secret handshake that tells your computer how to find the internet gateway on your phone.
And of course, don't forget the last and maybe most important click of all. Hit that Save button to make sure all those new settings stick.
All right, everything should be locked in. Time for the moment of truth. Let's do a quick final check and see if we are officially online.
You know, the easiest way to know if this worked is to look right inside the Every Proxy app. It gives you this simple and, kind of quirky little message that lets you know you're good to go. So just glance back at your phone, at the Every Proxy app. If you see a brand new 3rd line of text pop up right there on the screen, that's it. That's your confirmation. It means your computer is successfully talking to your phone and pulling data through the connection.
So for our final check, do you see that 3rd line in the app? Yep. Good. Is your computer still connected to your phone's hotspot? Yep. Perfect. If you can say yes to both of those, then congratulations, you are online.
And that is all there is to it. You did it. Go ahead, open up a web browser on your computer. You should now be able to surf the web just like normal, all running through that secure VPN connection on your phone.
So, you've now connected your devices in this really powerful new way. The only question left is, what are you going to do with all this newfound freedom?